Gyffredin Carer Centre is a registered charity. We support unpaid carers of all ages, starting from the age of 5 up until 105 really, so there's no end to the service. We offer respite opportunities, emotional support, grant support, debt advice, and a variety of lots of different things. The aim of the project is for funding for wellbeing activities. We've had a few projects funded. So we've had the botanical gardens for older carers. We have our weekly community cafe funded, so that's every Wednesday at the centre.
The cafe provides a lot of friendship and support to people who may otherwise not get to see other members of the community. And, you know, some people have got really demanding caring responsibilities and it's their only time out.
And they laugh together, that's what's absolutely lovely. And then they try each week to have something different, so we might have a singer or bingo or a quiz. And it really is a lovely, lovely sociable occasion really, so we're very lucky to be here.
They just create such a warm, inviting atmosphere. People come in week after week.
And then we've also had the young carer service funded for our under 13s groups, so we run groups for 5 to 9-year-olds and 10 to 12-year-olds.
We do Lego Club once a month at the centre. It's for the child with a disability, the family to come along, but the young carers as well. It's been very successful. And it's nice that the families can get together, parents can have a cuppa while their children are in a safe environment, so they all have a break, and it's grown massively.
Today we are having a Halloween party for our 10 to 12-year-olds. This would be what we would normally do. We meet up once a month, but because it's Halloween, we thought we'd have a Halloween party.
We've been doing golf and we have been playing with the balloons.
And we were dancing as well.
And we were talking about like, it's lovely here.
We offer these groups so that they've got somewhere that they can meet with other peers who are young carers and other people that understand them and have that little bit of a break from their caring role, especially in the school holidays now when they would have been stuck with the person they care for all the time. So this is probably their only chance to get out and have that little bit of a break for themselves and have a chance to be a child and, you know, have some fun.
This wasn't here right now. I wouldn't be able to come out of my comfort zone and talk about my dad, and now I have a new friend to talk about it.
This funding has had an amazing impact on all the services we deliver, and I know the carers have really benefited from the extra opportunities that we've offered. It's amazing how much difference that makes to people's lives.